Multiply 850 by 17 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 7. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 5 is 35. Put 5 in this column and carry 3. 7 times 8 plus the carried 3 is 59. The first partial product is 5,950. Now use the tens digit, 1. Start one place to the left. 1 times 0 is 0. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 8 is 8. The second partial product is 8,500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the hundreds column, 9 plus 5 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 5 plus 8 plus the carried 1 is 14. Put 4 in this column and carry 1. In the 10,000s column, the carried 1 is 1. The product of the whole numbers is 14,450. So 850 times 17 is 14,450.